Hi, this is Brad Smith from BeerSmith.com. Welcome to BeerSmith, a software program for home and professional brewers. With BeerSmith, you can design great beer recipes at home and take the guesswork out of your brewing day. BeerSmith lets you build recipes quickly. You can just open any recipe and then start adding ingredients from the list of preloaded ingredients. As you add new ingredients, the image of your beer will be updated, as well as the style guide below, which compares to any style of beer that you choose. In this case, I've chosen a dry stout. It'll update my original gravity, bitterness, color, and so on. I have support for all grain, extract, and partial mash brewers. And it's very easy to manipulate these recipes as well. For example, I can go up here, I can scale recipes, I can convert all grain to extract, I can adjust the gravity, bitterness, or color of a recipe, add it to a shopping cart. I can even click on brew steps to get step-by-step instructions of this particular recipe that I just created. So it's very easy in BeerSmith 2 to open and create recipes. We also have a new equipment wizard. If you go to Insert, Equipment Wizard, which lets you set up your equipment. This is an important first step for new users. You only have to do it once, but you've got to set up your brewing equipment with all the volumes so that BeerSmith can use this equipment profile in your recipes. We also have a number of other features for more advanced brewers. If I open up this recipe, I can calculate yeast starters. I can do mash profiles for all grain brewers. I have a brew day timer built in, so you can walk step by step through each of your steps in your brew, and it'll time them for you and play an alarm. I have fermentation details, volumes, detailed notes. There's a whole bunch of features available for more advanced brewers. Once you've created your recipes, you can organize them into folders. For example, here's the BeerSmith samples folder. I can view that. I can go back. I can create new folders. I can copy and paste recipes between folders, create duplicates of them, save them to my brew log, whatever I want. If I want to find recipes, I have a search all feature that actually lets me find recipes by ingredient. And it'll show me all the recipes and what folder they're in that match that particular ingredient, or I can search by style, name, term, name, anything I want. So very flexible feature there. You can also share your recipes with other brewers by publishing them on your cloud folder on BeerSmithRecipes.com. Anything you store in your cloud folder in BeerSmith is actually stored on the BeerSmithRecipes.com website. You can store them either privately, or you can make them shared and available for other brewers if you want to share them with a friend or share them with people around the world. And you can also open these shared folders on your mobile device. So we have a mobile version of BeerSmith now that's for Android, for iPhone, for iPad, as well as the Kindle Fire. And anything you store in your cloud folder on BeerSmithRecipes.com is also available from your mobile device. So you can actually create a recipe on your desktop, walk out into the garage, and open it up on your phone. Pretty cool feature. Along with that, we also have a cloud search feature, which lets you search all of the recipes that have been shared on BeerSmithRecipes.com. There's literally thousands and thousands of them. And you can search them by type. You can search them by rating, for example. This is showing me some of the top-rated recipes for stouts. I can open any recipe that I want. I can copy it to my local folder, save it to my recipes, for example. And then if I go back to my recipes, I can take that and I can scale it to match my particular equipment profile, print out the brew sheet, walk out on the garage and brew it. There's a number of other features. We have a brewing calendar available. We also have inventory management. We have shopping cart, so you can add an entire recipe to your shopping cart, print out the shopping cart, walk out to the store, and buy the ingredients for it. We have dozens of add-ons available. If you click on the add-ons button and you click on the ad, it actually goes online to our server and downloads all of the available add-ons, and this includes new yeasts, new grains, new hop ingredients, and we're constantly updating this. So it's very easy to add these. You just click on any of them. For example, if I want the hop update for 2013 and install it, and it just got added to my ingredients list. And now I can use any of those hop varieties because they're already stored. BeerSmith is also flexible. You can add new ingredients. We have full support for a variety of preferences here. If you want to change your units to metric, for example, you just click on this and you set your units to metric. And now if I push OK, and I go back and I view any of my recipes, you can see they've all been converted to metric. So full support for metric, English, mixed units. You can even type in units into a field and it'll do the conversion for you. I have a new recipe archive that actually records every change that you've made, so you can recover any recipe of previous version at any time. And BeerSmith has strong support for advanced brewers, including built-in support for various hop techniques, custom mash profiles, batch sparging options, the ability to add your own custom ingredients. All those things are supported in BeerSmith. So BeerSmith is a program that will grow to meet your needs. It's available for both mobile and desktop. The mobile versions are integrated with our BeerSmithRecipes.com site, as is the desktop, so you can create a recipe on your desktop, open it on your mobile device in the garage. Just a minute later, you can take your recipes with you on your mobile device to your next brewing club meeting. So very flexible thing. If you're interested in learning more about BeerSmith, or if you'd like to download a free trial copy, you can go to our website at BeerSmith.com. Thank you for watching this short introduction to BeerSmith. Have a great brewing day.